late great Ed Roth originally created Rat Fink as a counterculture, wart-faced, slobbering, hot-rodding rat whom became a classic lowbrow icon and would later spawn entire genres of art and artist careers. So thanks for pioneering the way, Ed. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time.